डिवाइन बीम चैरिटेबल फाउंडेशन, जिससे हम सभी प्यार से डीबे कहते हैं. The NGO has done work in different cities and states of India, like Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Hyderabad, Meerut, Prayagraj, and Guwahati in Assam. With blessings of divine, DB has completed 5 years of successful working, which has been possible as you all and many others always came up to the best of help and support whenever required. Today, with us, we have 4 volunteers who will be helping DB, among beautiful ladies. I would like to bring out that we shall be covering the Nari Shakti Award 2021, Season 5 toward the end. Introducing our volunteers, Dr. Ojaswita Pandey from Prayagraj is a dentist and a keen social worker who has been recently awarded as Corona Warrior for her work during Corona at Prayagraj. Ma'am, would you like to say a few words?
Ojaswita, are you there with us? I think she's not there. We'll go ahead. Dear Janvi, will go ahead.
Miss Pooja Raj from Patna, Bihar is an engineer by profession and is a keen classical dancer. Whatever time she is left with, she keeps herself busy with social work.
Hi everyone, and heartiest congratulations on this completing fifth year of DB Divine Beam Charitable Foundation. मैं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसे ही मैम इंस्पायर करते रहे लोगों को और हम इसका निर्माण करें. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Pooja, for your wishes. Can we go ahead?
Major Shubhra, an army veteran. She was one of the first women officers to be a part of action during Kargil. Now she is in the corporate and is a life coach and trainer with Art of Living.
Major Shubhra, anything for Divine Beam?
Yeah, hi Major Meghna. Heartiest congratulations on completing this milestone of 5 years for Divine Beam. Your passion has really been inspiration for a lot of not only women, I should say, women, children, and men all together. Wish you lots and lots of love, success, all the best.
Thank you so much, Shubhra.
नहीं आ रहा, आ गया ये देखो.
हाँ जी, आभा जी आपका ऑडियो म्यूट करना पड़ेगा.
ओके म्यूट कर रहे हैं. हाँ.
Mrs. Smita from Bangalore is an energetic and lively lady who is an entrepreneur and loves to spend time helping others. She is associated with activities of DB for the last 5 years.
Okay, Smita, are you there? Oh, I think Smita is not there. Okay, we'll go ahead.
The founder of our NGO, Major Meghna Elawat, is a woman with a vision who has incessantly turned many milestones in her life with a multifaceted approach. We see her today as a social worker, and by profession, she's an astrologist and numerologist. She has been felicitated many times for her work. Her husband, Lieutenant Colonel Ajay Chand, supports her at every step for smooth functioning of the NGO. I would like to invite her to enlighten us about the journey of DB.
Thank you so much, dear Janvi, and thank you so much to one and all who have joined us today and who are part of our celebration on this Zoom meeting today. DB has completed 5 years, and yes, I do see many faces on the screen which are associated with us since our inception, and I'm so happy to be associated with all of them. During these 5 years, DB has majorly worked on women empowerment and Go Green missions. we believe that women are already empowered. We only help them to recognize and take charge of their empowerment. Being our Foundation Day, I shall just touch upon the work done by Divine Beam Charitable Foundation during these 5 years. At the foremost, we have had various programs for women like poem meet, Rangoli competition, educative sessions, motivational sessions, sessions on hygiene. So these have been both. Earlier we used to have offline and now we are having online sessions. We have sponsored women for various courses also, like stitching course and parlor courses. And twice a year, we felicitate women, one on our Foundation Day, and second time we do it during the International Women's Day, which is on 8th of March. We try to pick up even those women who have never been, felicitated, and even women who are home bakers. When we choose our achievers list, we even choose women who are homemakers. So this is something unique with Divine Beam Charitable Foundation, because we feel wherever you are, whatever you are doing, if you're doing it with full faith, you need to be felicitated for that. And what does it do to us? This basically helps create a belief system in us when we are, felicitated by somebody. Now, another, a project of Divine Beam Charitable Foundation, which is very close to my heart, is Walk for Diva. This is one program where women walk on ramp, a woman holding hand of another woman. They walk on ramp just to, support that. Individually, we are just a drop, but together we are an ocean. So this program basically aims at women supporting women, and we've already had 2 seasons of this program, Walk for Diva. In 2020 we had one program, and 2021 we had another program. Looking forward to our 3rd season of Walk for Diva in March 2021. Now every year we plant trees as a gratitude to Mother Earth. So during COVID time, that is last year 2020, we were unable to do this. But then we did not sit back. We motivated women online, and that's how we motivated them online. And we had taken up a drive. That drive was D-Bay Go Green, through which we motivated women online to plant trees at their respective places, and thereafter post their pictures with us and be part of our D-Bay Go Green mission. And then our next project, which we have recently started, is Shashakta. So Shashakta is an online program which we are planning to have, in which we promote women, we share stories of Diva, and also take sessions to enhance and encourage skills for women. Now, another project things which we have been working on are the welfare activities. So like, blanket distribution, or be it food distribution, and or maybe a drawing competition for children. We've had such welfare activities also during the course of these 5 years. And recently, during this COVID times also, we did a bit by distributing the COVID protection kits to the needy, and even food distribution we did. And today, when it is our Foundation Day, I'm happy to, announce that we are picking up another project, which is again under Go Green mission. And this is, that how tastefully we can utilize our house waste. So basically, the waste management, the management of the waste which is at home, and utilizing it tastefully in a manner so that we can reuse it. So we would be calling it wasteful to tasteful. And what we do in this is like, with the help of the waste which we have at home, maybe the kitchen waste or other products which we use, we are going to have some sessions wherein we are going to teach and plus promote, people to reuse them and make decorative items. We can make dhoop cones, we can use them as fertilizers, how we can use them as jewelries, and many more such things. So this is our new project which we have launched today on our completion of 5 years on our Foundation Day today, and the name is Wasteful to Tasteful. now I shall, these are the projects, and there are various things, which we have taken up in these 5 years. I've just touched upon 6-7 aspects which we have done during the last 5 years. And now, now let's move on to this Nari Shakti Award 2021. So as I mentioned earlier, that twice a year we felicitate women for, felicitate them and being an achiever in life. So on this Foundation Day, again, we have a Nari Shakti Award. This is our season 5, because this we have been doing every year, year after year. And every time we have done it offline. This is the first time we are taking these awards online. So what does the participant get? The achiever gets? The achiever gets an e-certificate from us. The achiever gets a place on a Facebook page and on a YouTube channel promotion. So that is what we are going to give to the achievers. And for the same, we have already, published our Google form, and that is available on a Facebook page also, and it is there on Insta and other places as well. So the last date of filling it up is 17th November. And here I would like to mention again, this is for those women who have achieved, who are achievers already and achievers, and also for those women who have not been felicitated even once. We even consider homemakers when we choose our achievers. So I will request all of you that please fill it up and send it to us. 17th November is the last date. And thereafter, our team may approach few of the candidates whom we do not know personally, just to check the credentials. And thereafter, 23rd of November, we are going to have our second meeting of the Foundation Day, again on Zoom at 3:30. The link would be shared shortly with all of you. As the time would come closer, I'll share the link for that Zoom meeting as well. So 23rd November, I look forward to all of you again joining us, and maybe many more of us who would be joining on 23rd November, who have not been able to join us today, because we scheduled it on a very short notice this time. So that is how we're going to go about it. And I think on the screen, I see my idol, Major General S.S. Elawat. And I must say that I think for 80% daughters, it is always their father who's their ideal. So my father, General S.S. Elawat, who has always been a motivation for me, a driving force for me to do whatever I'm doing. If I joined army, was because I saw him in that green uniform, sitting in the jeep in the front seat, and saluting to the soldiers. So I will just request, Daddy, if you can just enlighten and few words from your side on our Foundation Day will really mean a lot to me.
Thank you, Meghna. Meghna has been the youngest child in the family. I would say a protected child and little shy. After she joined army, we saw a major change in her. This life changed her entire attitude, and after retirement, she took on to a NGO, DBay, 5 years back, has been doing a very good job. She individually is a neurologist, Vastu Shastra Acharya, participated in all women car rally from Hyderabad to Goa, and she has won beauty pageant at Goa. DBay has done an excellent job. My heartiest congratulations, Meghna. We are proud of you as a family. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Daddy, for being there with us and speaking such good words. And I must say, yes, I've always been a very shy and an hesitant, girl. But I think even today I am one. But it's with the support of everybody that I'm able to do whatever little bit I can do. I have few more people here, who have been associated with us and with Divine Beam. Chetali. Chetali, would you, I think she's sitting in office, but I'll just request her if she's comfortable and she can, just speak 2 words for Divine Beam on the Foundation Day. Okay, Chetali, we are waiting. Can you hear us, Chetali? I can see you there on the screen. I think some, hearing issues or something. And yes, who else is there? Yes, I have many people here. Somebody would like to, say something, congratulate Divine Beam on our, completion of 5 years. I think we've had, okay. I have Mrs. Roma Sarabhai with us, who's associated with us again for last 5 years since inception. So nice to see you. So, okay, Mrs. Roma Sarabhai, anything for D-Bay?
Congratulations, heartiest congratulations on your success. The dream come true.
Thank you so much.
I remember the first time we had gone together to do it.
Yes, I remember. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
I'm so happy to see you there. Gee, thank you.
Yeah,
And
that
thank you.
is I said. Planting the trees, the experience, beautiful experience. Nice knowing you. All heartiest congratulations on all your success. Very happy for you. Very happy. Good work. Keep the good work up.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And in the end, I would like to thank all of you who joined us today, and even those who have not been able to join us because of their respective schedules. Looking forward to, achieving many more milestones with all of you being with us. And thank you so much for being us today, and see you all on 23rd November, 3:30 on Zoom. The links would be shared. Thank you so much, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Meghna. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.